You're probably taking a magnesium supplement like this right now. But did you know that your body absorbs magnesium much better from real food than it does the capsule I just threw away over there? In fact, some forms of food-based magnesium are actually 30% more bioavailable than magnesium in a pill or a capsule. I'm not against them, but I'm not really for them either. Magnesium isn't just some type of wellness trend. It's probably one of the most crucial elements in a man's body. Women too, but we're talking about men here, right? Magnesium does a host of things. Supports inflammation reduction, healthy testosterone production, smooth muscle relaxation in the prostate, in your bladder, better sleep. You can resist stress easier. You're more mild-tempered, right? And here's the part that most men don't know. The recommended daily amount of magnesium for adult men is about 400 milligrams a day for men 19 to 30 years old. About 420 a day for men 31 and up. However, if you're dealing with a enlarged prostate or BPH, then you can probably stand to take a little bit more. A therapeutic dosage between 450 and 600 milligrams a day, especially if you want to shrink your prostate down and reduce those urinary symptoms. No one loves those, going to the bathroom at night. So I'm here to show you how you can do that with just foods, right? You can hit those numbers easily with just real magnesium-rich foods without, relying on those capsules, So here are 7 of the richest magnesium foods per 100-gram serving. 100 grams. Measure it out, get a scale. Pumpkin seeds, 535 milligrams. That's a whole day supply, right? Chia seeds, soak them first, 335 milligrams. Almonds, 280 milligrams. Cooked spinach, 90 milligrams. Black beans, 70 milligrams. Avocado, 40 milligrams. Dark chocolate, 230 milligrams. You can get all the milligrams of magnesium you need by just eating food, and your body absorbs it much easier. Here's a smoothie for you. 1 cup of spinach, cooked and cooled. Half an avocado, teaspoon of chia seeds, soak them first. 1 banana, and unsweetened almond milk. Make your own. That right there is 200 milligrams of magnesium. How about this lunch or dinner? 1 cup of black beans cooked, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, some steamed spinach, drizzle some olive oil on it and some oregano and some garlic. You got 300 to 350 milligrams. That's in one meal. So, you're able to hit your entire magnesium needs in just 2 meals, just by what I've described to you. See, magnesium from whole food sources, it doesn't just nourish the body. It sends a message to your cells that, hey, healing is going on, healing is available, right? So if you're trying to reduce systemic inflammation, if you want to support your prostate and help your body naturally balance testosterone levels and DHT levels, capsules, supplements are okay when you need to periodically, but if you're eating right, eating solidly, magnesium becomes a daily dose of natural medicine from your food. So next time you reach for a pill, pause. Ask yourself, can I eat my medicine today? Ask yourself that. So if you're ready to ditch the capsules and get your magnesium in a much more normal food pattern, leave a comment below and just type in natural foods. Let's get healthy.